guys, so today I will be showing y'all how I clean my laptop because it's dirty. And this is my laptop. It got a pink case on it where I put the stickers on it. And here's the back, and I sent another sticker on. So yeah. So I have to flip the camera, so I'll be back. This is what you see when you open it. It says my name, Tamara Davis, user. And yeah. So I'm going to clean this. I use these wipes. Then they got these on it. I'm gonna take that off. And then I'm going to clean. I'm cleaning this whole part up here. If y'all can't see what I'm cleaning this. Cleaning this. The keyboards. Some numbers got in it. I really have to clean this spot. So yeah, guys, that's how I clean my MacBook. It's all clean. Let me delete that. Yeah. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace.